If you can't move the shifter in your Nissan Rogue 2014, 2020, the second generation, out of park because of the problems with the shifter, you need to turn on the ignition first. So press this button once without pressing the brake pedal. Turn on the ignition, or maybe turn on the car, turn on the engine. It doesn't matter much. And here you have the shift lock release lid. So this is the plastic lid that you can take out with your fingers easily. Just use your finger to take it up, and it will go out of this of the holder. And now you need something like a key. For example, you have a key fob, and here you have a metal key in this fob. So you can use this metal key, and here is the cavity that you need to insert this key into and press it down. So there is it's pressing pretty lightly. So there is the lock, the shift lock that you release, and now you can take this shifter to neutral, for example, and get your car onto the tow truck, or maybe start your car and try driving even though you have a shifter problem.